For this nefarious purpose, the Modi government has also hired the services of a self-proclaimed exile, Dr. Amjad Ayub Mirza. Amjad Ayub, who has been a left-wing politician in Britain since 1995, recently used the term Mother India in one of his articles, indicating that he has a deep ties to Indian government. He even went to the extent where he spit out his venom against Islamic principles and culture as well. To mislead the world, the article cites fictitious complaints from the people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir against the census that are completely unfounded and far from the truth. The active participation and enthusiasm shown by the people of Azad Jammu and Kashmir during the online census process clearly refutes the claims of stooges like Amjad Ayub. It is beyond doubt that the vast majority of Kashmiris love Pakistan. Even the great JKLF Supremo Amanullah Khan used to say that nationalist Kashmiris are more Pakistanis than Pakistanis. The hatred for India and the fervent desire to be free from its yoke are the two of the many values that nationalist Kashmiris and their pro-Pakistani brethren hold in common. In this situation, how can a true Kashmiri use words like Mother India? It is evident that India can't absorb the ongoing census process in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which is the manifestation of regional peace, a reflection of an unshakable bond and faith in Pakistan, resource sharing, and the planning of a successful future. India sees its ugly face exposed when people in the outside world compare the two regions of Jammu and Kashmir. It is thus attempting to spread false information in order to sow discord and unrest in Azad Jammu and Kashmir, while also concealing its horrific crimes and imperialist designs in its illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan recognizes the contentious status of Jammu and Kashmir as a whole, which was obtained after India sought the intervention of United Nations in 1947. Irony is that it is same India which doesn't honor the region's disputed status and refuses to grant Kashmiris the right to self-determination in accordance with the pertinent United Nations resolutions and its obligations made at international level. Since August 2019, it has continued the imperialist policy of ethnically and numerically eradicating Kashmiris and replacing them with Hindu Indians. Pertinent to mention here that 3 years ago, the European research NGO EU Disinfo Lab busted an extensive propaganda network of fake news websites and NGOs that were used for 15 years to influence the United Nations and the European Union for India's interests. The report, titled Indian Chronicles, revealed that more than 750 fake news websites in 116 countries around the world were spreading false news about Pakistan by fake journalists. Even after that shocking revelation, India continues to spend billions of rupees on its fact propaganda campaign against Pakistan and Kashmiris from Europe and America. This campaign should make it easy to understand and identify the individuals like Amjad Ayub. It's imperative for every Kashmiri living across the LOC and all over the world to be aware of Indian conspiracies and fulfill their national duty to expose such elements.